Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I want to talk about something which we all use on a daily basis, and that is a face wash. And this video is in collaboration with Foxy, which is a new platform that connects beauty influencers with top brands. Many of you might think that okay, it is lockdown is going on, we are stuck at home, so what is the point of using a face wash because we are not going out, right? But no, that is not the case. You have to use a face wash if you are going out or not, that doesn't matter. You have to use it every day because we need to clean the impurities that are stuck to our face, and yes, we need to cleanse that. Okay, another thing we have to always keep in mind that while choosing a face wash, and don't choose something that has scrub material in it, the small bit type of things that shouldn't be in your face wash, because that causes micro tear on your face most often, and that is very very bad for our skin. So you have to choose something which doesn't have that. Is that we have to be very gentle on our skin, and that is especially for people with acne prone skin, because they are very prone to having any kind of marks or anything on our skin. So we have to be very gentle, and there shouldn't be any pressure. Like, you have to give minimum pressure on your face while cleansing your face. Okay, so for oily skin people and who have like acne or pimple, this is one from L'Oreal, and it is the Skin Perfect Pimple Reduction Facial Foam, and it is written that this one is for the age of 20 plus. So there are different variants for this one. Like, this is the 20 plus one, there is 30 plus and 40 plus as well, so you can get it according to your age. And this is written, it has like it reduces the pimple and blackheads, and it also makes the skin soft. It has a very cream like texture, and you need very little amount of it on your face. So, and the next product is for people with dry skin type. I think that will help them a lot, and it had helped me as well. I really like this one. This is from the brand Mom's Co, and this is a natural Vita Rich face wash, and this contains vitamin C, B3, B5 and hyaluronic acid. So this comes in a pump form. I really like pump one. Product wastage is very minimum in this one, and it is very like easy to use. So I have dry skin and it's great for me, and let me show you how it looks like. Have to take a little bit of the product, and as you can see, this one has a very gel like consistency, and you need very little of it, and have to be very gentle on your skin and rinse it off. So yeah, that is it for today. Choose a face wash that will suit your particular skin type. If you have oily skin or dry skin, choose particular face wash for each. And all the products mentioned in this video are available on Foxy.